How to buy a block of American token. So this token came under the symbol of block. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available right now in the screener. This token created 19 hours ago and increased by 12%, 12,000% in the last 24 hours. As you can see, this token is trending number 26 in Solana section of the screener. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Open your funds wallet for that. Now click on swap here and make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address here. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Now type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you will receive the token. Now after that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information here. Now click on swap and you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy block token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.